Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What I will be discussing tonight will be the troubleshooting of a can opener. This is a can opener, an electric can opener. The cutting knife of the can opener is this one. This is removable, and actually we could insert this one back here. It's inserted already. So if we try to open a can, we'll just do it like this, and a magnet here will be sucking this metal thing here, so it will stay in contact with the knife thing. So when you try to push this one, it will try to rotate the can, opening the can. It is something like this, but this one here, it doesn't open because what's missing here is actually a magnet, a small magnet. It should be placed something over here, okay? So when you try to put the can, it will suck the can and it will be steady on the cutting knife. So for this can opener to work perfectly again, I must have to install this magnet here. Luckily, this magnet, I got it from one of the, what you call this, magnet for the stickers for our refrigerator, and I just remove it. And luckily, the size actually coincides with the size of the missing magnet. Uh, the magnet of this one was missing because when I was working 5 years ago, 10 years ago, uh, I think this magnet was removed from this, and I placed it somewhere else, and I don't know where to find it. So when we try to open can, it doesn't open the can. There's something missing, and I try to observe that the missing thing is actually the magnet. So what I will be doing is that I will be removing this one. The cutting knife is actually removable. Okay. The motor itself is not defective. The problem is that it could not open the can because the magnet that will try to suck the can that will be opened is missing. This is where we place the magnet here. This is the magnet. This is the actual size of the magnet. Luckily, I got an actual size of the magnet. Okay. So what I will be doing is that since the can opener itself, the motor itself is not effective, I will just be simply uh, putting this small magnet here on here. And to do that, I will be using a Gorilla Glue. So I will be taking a Gorilla Glue here. And I will try to put some glue over here. That's a Gorilla Glue. This Gorilla Glue from Home Depot is actually very strong. It's very strong. Then I will try to place this one on the supposed to be placement. It got a small hole inside, so that's where we place the other, this one here. So I will be putting this one here. Okay. I will add one more, some more. So I will be placing this one at the center. That's it. So what I will do is that I will try to wait for this one to harden, and I think I could now uh, try to operate this one if it really opens it can. Right? So as of now, I have connected the missing magnet which is needed to suck the can that will be opened. It will try to suck it. Because if we try to put it here, the magnet will try to entangle with it, will suck it. It will keep steady on the cutting teeth of the, what do you call this, opener. Because without it, you could not maintain the how near this one to the teeth, cutting teeth. So without the magnet, we could not operate this can opener correctly. So like what I did, guys, I put the missing magnet on it. Luckily, the size was exactly the one which is missing. So I'll just wait for this one to harden. Then luckily, it should not be removed from where it was what they call this glued by using a Gorilla Glue. So we could operate this can opener efficiently or correctly. Because without the magnet, okay, we could not open because it could not maintain how how it could not maintain this metal thing for the cutting teeth, right? There should be a magnet. Without the magnet, we could not use it. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I have done is just I glued the missing magnet on the handle of the can opener for it to operate correctly. Good evening from Los Angeles. I just glued it with the Gorilla Glue and I will wait for this to harden before I could use it correctly on the can opener. Good evening from Los Angeles.